Clickbaiting. You've seen it, you hate it, and you have fallen for it. It's one of the few sins of the internet, and rightfully so. So before you try and master these sinful ways, you must ask yourself one question. Do I want people to enjoy my videos? If your answer was no, then clickbaiting is for you. So without further ado, here are the top 5 ways to clickbait. Number 1. Include big red arrows pointing to useless shit in the thumbnail. This clever technique will force viewers to find out what the arrow means, therefore giving you more views. Hey, you can resist it, you don't need to click here. Don't look at the arrow. Don't look at... Ugh. Number 2. Turn your title into a question. This clever technique is used by young YouTube entrepreneurs all around the internet, and for good reason. It makes the viewer want to find out the answer to the question. For example, did you ever cheat on me? Well, I don't really know, cause I don't remember dating you. She did what? Well, I don't know what she did. Number 3. Use excessive periods. No, I don't mean those periods, I mean the punctuation mark. By using these excessively, you'll create a suspenseful feeling for the person that reads the title. This will for sure reel them in. Number 4. Target people's appetites. Okay, obviously I don't mean their food cravings, but what they crave in life. Whether this is money, women, or popularity, this is guaranteed to grab their attention. Number 5. Use a suspicious lowercase title. Pretend that you're a professional clickbaiter. By executing this technique, you will make the viewer suspicious about why your title looks so unclickbaity, leading to an anti-clickbait effect which will reel them in out of suspiciousness. If you want to take this step even further, you can add .mp4 to the end of your title. Well, by now you have learned enough to use this sinful tool yourself, so go ahead, give it a try.